Hey, so welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can see today, we are going to be doing a DIY wreath out of this wreath that I picked up from Michael's, and it was super duper cheap. And everything else we're going to be using is from the Dollar Tree, so it's very, very pocket friendly. First, we're going to take the first step of fluffing out this wreath, because when you first get them, they're all just like flattened down. So you want to make it nice and fluffy and, you know, just make all those branches go one way, another way, another way, another way. And then you also do want to pick out where you're going to want your bottom or your top or whatever you're going to put on here. And right here, I was like undecided to put on bells or a bow, and I ended up going with a bow. So where I put on the bow, I flattened out those little stems and I pushed them down. I used hot glue for this whole project, and I put the hot glue on the back of the bowl, and then I just held it on to the wreath, and I was like pushing it down and holding it and fixing it and adjusting it, just so I know like it's in place and it's straight and it's not crooked at all. Next, we're going to be going in with our balls. And for our balls, the way we're going to be gluing them in is we're going to be putting the glue where we would initially put the hook on for the tree, because you just want around, you know, the round part of the ball to be facing outwards. You do not want to see any of those part where the hooks are at, and just keep gluing, putting a bunch of glue so it can like get into the wreath like really good and stay. And as you can see with this theme here, I went with red, white, and silver, and some of the balls are glitter, some of them are matte, some of them are shiny, and I think it was just super gorgeous. And I think you can do any colors you want. If you want to do colorful, knock that out. If you want to do like all red, go with that too. So as you can see right there, that's all I have for the balls. So I start taking clippers and clipping off these white poinsettias, and these clippers are not even wire clippers, to be honest. They are dog nail clippers. But I had to work with what I had, and that's what I had on hand. So we're gonna start gluing in these little flowers on there, just so it can add more of a little pizzazz to it and make the wreath pop a little bit more, and giving it more of a festive, fancy look, because that's the look that I was going for. So we're just going to be gluing those in, and later on I do take bigger ornament balls and I put them right in the wreath here and there, just so it can make it more full and balance it all out. And I just go back and forth looking at it, seeing where more balls need to be, or if I shouldn't put any more. But with these wreaths, they're so big, you can put like so many balls on here and it not look too busy at all. So this project is just super easy, and it's really, really fun to do. Finished look. As you can see, I did add these white Christmas flowers in there. I always forget their name, so I'm not even gonna try to remember, because I'm just gonna make myself look dumb. So yes, I just add the white ones in there, and I added some of the little ornament balls. I put the red and the silver, just to make it a lot more fuller, with the bow instead of the bell at the bottom. And this Mom! Is a finished look. Yes. So yeah, if you guys really like this wreath, please give it a thumbs up. It's very, very pocket friendly. You could go ahead and go to the dollar store. You could go to the dollar store and pick out your own ornaments, or flowers, or ornaments that you guys want to stick in here. You could do so many things with these wreaths and make it your own style, instead of having to go to Target or Hobby Lobby or wherever and buy one of theirs. You can always just make it into your own twist, and I think it looks fantastic. But that's just me. It could be a biased opinion because I'm the one who made it. So
let me know what you guys think down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.